I'm just recording myself. Just upload, you know what I'm saying? Go down. I look so different now. Hell yeah. I look so different now. You think I give a fuck? They got a second guess. Is there smoke on pub ride? Yeah, no filter. On me. Pearly white. No filter. No filter. See a little stain there? Yeah, there's no filter. I'm all whites. It was at just 4 minutes a day. 2 weeks. 2 more, 2 weeks, or whatever you get around to it. You talking about don't smoke, bitch. You see how black my lips are? All I do is smoke, don't I? The fuck I supposed to do all day? Work. Hell no, I can't work because they go fire me because I'm a fail a drug test. So why you go and fill out the application? Unless it's a research market for to test a new kush and new weed that's coming in. I do that. So if anybody hiring out there and need a tester for your new weed that y'all picking and nipping in the bud, I'm your guy. Been smoking weed since the 90s. 33 years old, been smoking weed probably about 24 years. I'm your guy. Been all over the world, smoked all this kind of weed. From here to Hawaii to Maine and back. Even stopped in Kentucky, started to Lexington. Good weed out there. I fucks with y'all. Denver, Utah, Montana. I fucks with y'all too, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got that good weed out there too. We fucks with y'all. Cali, it's alright. You know that motherfucker food is alright. You want that weed, you need to come to the motherfucking South. Come to Arkansas. Go to the motherfucking, what's that? Ozark? Yeah, go to the Ozark. And, so what? Who followed that? You either fix yourself up? I'm just saying. It had be. You be with a bitch over 5 years. Hold on, you won't fix yourself up no more. So the bitch went from looking like a filter diva to a filthy diva. You did? I tell you, it's a fucking conspiracy. That's why you're married to these bitches. You don't stay alone with them. Because when you marry the bitch gonna go looking from goddamn Jennifer Lopez to Jennifer No Ass. We ain't cool with that. Yeah, the ice split your motherfucking throat.
No, it wasn't sharp though. It got stuck right there. It melted the ice and shit. I thought it was down. Oh, Shamanda.
Yeah, it's a boring web page, you know what I'm saying? But who gives a fuck though about the boring web page? It's just really a web page just to stage in my hair, you know what I'm saying? Just to stage my shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, just stage my shit. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see it how goddamn me. I'm finna wick this shit up though, go get my face pierced up. Yeah, y'all might see me. Y'all might see me on a rap video, anything to do with music. I don't give a fuck with it. I do it all anyway. From rock and roll to rock these hoes. I'm your guy. Anybody need their hoe fuck right, holler at me. Freddie P the monkey, please. You know what I'm saying? I beat a monkey sideways. That's what I do. That's my profession. That's my first love. Yeah, just thought y'all know that, just in case. You know, think I'm out there sexy. I probably look bad to your nigga. You'll never tell him that because, you know, he'll bat the shit up at you, but it's cool. You know how to get in contact with me. Don't DM me because my bitch got my passcode. I'll catch you at Walmart on food step day, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Try to buy a book or two. Yeah, for real. Anybody out there want to film me? So? See you guy. I'm fucking with you. My shit just all curled up as shit, but them dreads though, it's all curly right now. Cause I got that one type of hair that most people love, but I hate the shit. I need some of that African Bombada shit. Yeah, I don't like this type of hair. This shit too curly. Unmanageable. Trust me, I used to have hair down my motherfucking shoulder, down into the middle of my back. Shit's unmanageable. It ain't worth having. Now dreads on the other hand, you know what I'm saying? I can lock my shit up, do whatever I want to with you did. Oh yeah, they clean.
Sister locks. Sister locks.
You know, I grow fingernails, you know what I'm saying? It's just a player shit and probably so. It's just 7 months. I think I got this shit locked up in January. It's just January, from January to now. From January to now, I ain't never put nothing in my head. I ain't never used a chemical or none of that shit. I don't even know what the fuck a chemical is. I'm crazy enough without that bullshit. That's how black women getting brainwashed. Goddamn me think it's cool. Goddamn me to use that bullshit. Bitch, it ain't cool to use that bullshit. Go look at your Indian ancestors, and you tell me that they use that bullshit. That's why that black motherfucker, Madam C.J. Walker, invented the goddamn pressing comb. You lazy bitch. It'll take you a shorter time to press your hair than it will to perm your hair. Bitch, quit using them crackers. Goddamn me, war tactics, and they get you still in your mind first. Goddamn me, go turn you against your black king or your black prince, and then goddamn me, they gonna fuck shatter you, hook you out, hay all over town, suck a dick, eating ass. Then you wanna crawl back to a black man like, I love you, bitch. You don't love me. You love PCP, that perm shit. Dark and lovely, that's what you love, bitch. Is what kind of bitch is black as an African, but hair slick as a blonde haired, blue eyed bitch? Bitch, if you don't get your stupid ass way around there with that bullshit, that shit don't even make sense. See what I'm saying? Or that bitch got blonde hair, blue eyes, but she the color of me. Bitch, who was you fooling? Yourself or your ego? You're still the same ugly black bitch you was with blonde hair, blue eyes than you was when you were nappy hair and motherfucking black eyes. Cause that nigga beat your motherfucking ass. You whole better wake up and quit playing. It's a war. It's a war against us. Against all the majority. The majority. People of color. It's a war against us. That's why they conquer, divide and conquer. All that shit going on back home in Chicago. The Holy Grail of GD. Shut out. The chairman, honorable chairman, Larry Bernard. Open the gates. Free a nigga. You got them youngsters out there ain't old enough to even goddamn me go to 7th grade, but they got pistols big as themselves. With that goddamn me drill music bullshit. Fucking up the nation and the politics. With all that drama. Causing havoc on their community when you're supposed to be saving your community. Looking out for your brothers. Looking out for your sisters, your peoples, your family members. You niggas out here goddamn me under the influence and kill anything they move. Wake up in the motherfucking Cook County jail, facing with a motherfucking murder charge on you, and some of you little niggas can't even goddamn me wash your ass, let alone protect your ass, and you gonna get your motherfucking ass beat. Cause you don't know your knowledge, your conduct, your code, none of that shit. You out here renegade and all in the name of the nation. Boy, you're wrong. If I run up on one of you little niggas. Now, back to the problem at hand, people of color. At the Memphis nigga out there, Grape Street, Crips, out there beefing with Bloods, motherfucking GDs, Vice Lords, Kings, or whatever there may be. That's neither here nor there. You out there killing your niggas, killing your best friend over a fucking street corner, nigga, when you don't even own your motherfucking house. And who the fuck still gangbang in 2018 anyway? You old ass, young ass niggas. That's just like me talking about, it's the white man, you know what I mean? It's the white man, really, I can't get up off my feet. Really, I can't get up off my feet because you won't get up off your ass. Simple as that. Ain't no sugar coated. Ain't no motherfucking holding this shit back. Get up off your ass. Make a change for yourself and your people. Fuck all that other shit. Niggas out here killing each other for what? For a world star? YouTube hits? See how many hits you get in the penitentiary on YouTube. And YouTube is your asshole. You're gonna have 1,000,000 hits the first week. See what I'm saying? It's real. Niggas ain't telling y'all that. Y'all boys out here on the internet putting location finders on your goddamn robberies, on your damn murders, and swear that shit is gangster. Man, that shit ain't gangster. Showing your big chains. Let me run up on one of you niggas, your chains fake. I'm gonna expose you. Straight up, I'm gonna expose you. Cause I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna come see about you. Yeah, put your location. And when I upload this motherfucker, then when you rich, fly ass niggas, put your motherfucking location finder up on me, and you're showing them bank rolls. And I ain't talking about just a bank roll with the phone. Act like I didn't see all through your money. You know how you niggas do it. You know how niggas do it with them belt, your Ferragamos and your Gucci's and your goddamn your Ray-Bans and your Louis Vuittons and your put your motherfucking location fired up. Keep on playing with a real gangster, boy. They gonna come out the bushes with that cookie and Aretha on your motherfucking head and the whole band. For y'all didn't know, Aretha is that 100. She hold a whole 100. That's that big bitch. Aretha. Shout out to Miss Franklin. No disrespect. But Aretha own that hold a whole 100.
In the car seat.
She a whole 100, boy. Y'all don't know Aretha. Yeah. Yeah, put your location find up with your ball and ash. I'ma come and goddamn me what's that shit? What's that shit? Shout out to my nigga Life James.
All that move you did yesterday, I promise you. Get Ava.
Yeah. Shout out to all of, you know what I'm saying, the real gangsters that still politicking and trying to hold theirs. Somebody go back home and take over. Go back to home and reclaim our motherfucking fame, man. Reclaim the good name of the good brothers and sisters that have shed blood, gave years, shed tears, and lost some of their closest peers to this here. And go collect what's yours, man. Not your money, not to sell the nation for $1. Let a nigga put y'all on the internet game, bang, you twist your fingers, you're giving out what you don't supposed to be giving out. So and everybody who want to participate or act like he is when he is not, he is an imposter. But we don't know because he got our same lingo, talk, walk, clothing, and whatever. Man, you niggas is fraudulent, man. On some fugazi shit. Straight like that. Y'all niggas ain't really, I don't know what happened. I've been doing this shit 20 years of my life. As a child, I did childish things. As a man, I put away my childish things and I grew and I developed to be a father, a pillar of my community, a provider, a helper, not a hater, not a nigga that don't love his brothers, his people. See, I can't save the whole world. I wouldn't try if I could, because I'm not God. But what I can do is save mine. I can save my kind, my people, my brothers, my sisters, and people that's like me and like people like us. We have to save our own. Then we shall come together. Only when we save our own and learn how to quit hating, learn how to love, have loyalty, live your life, have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, shall we take over our righteous spot. See, what people don't know is, man, all this shit is ours, man. All this shit is ours. We indigenous to this place. Quit letting them crackers motherfucking brainwash. It's martial law all over again, fuck boy. This time they doing different than what they did in 42 with them Japs. Took them all to a concentration camp. They ain't doing that shit no more. Nigga, they put you in poverty communities, ghettos, slums, give you niggas colors, give you niggas a phone with internet smartphones, give you niggas Ferragamo belts. Most of you niggas can't even spell Ferragamo because you don't have an education. See, education is a part of this great nation and society that we live in, and dedicate yourself to something great other than that bullshit, and you might rise above it or drown, nigga. For y'all that didn't get that, y'all got smartphones so y'all can slow the shit down, cut my shit, rewind. I don't even give a fuck. Honestly, I swear I don't even give a fuck. Who look at it, who don't look at it. If you don't look at it, so fucking what? You did. Because when the end of the day come, I'm me. That's all it is, man. I might crack a couple jokes with you. Get to me, smoke a square there with you every once in a while. You did. But what I won't do is sell. I did that enough on my motherfucking own. You did. I was so lost. I didn't even know who Christ was till 2012. My baby boy was 1 year old. I found Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. Now all that other shit ain't knocking nobody religion, nobody beliefs, nobody principles or whatever you own, man. But what I am what I am, and that's against the society. What I'm not, I would never be. Find Lord, I found Lord, and I found the Lord. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you like I'm holy moly. I don't even go to church. You know what I'm saying? Church is in my heart, man. But I try to walk the righteous path. I try to do the righteous thing. Same way I was when I was of that devil. Out here talking about I am God, fuck it, all that bullshit. That ain't what it is, man. God is a real gangster for some of y'all that didn't know. Go back and look up some of them, some of the people God has switched, like Moses, Noah, Jacob. You know what I'm saying? Enoch. Enoch. For real. Even Aaron, of a quarter. David. Man, I'm talking about real gangsters, man. Everything God fuck with is of, how can I put this? It's of an underworld at one point. Led to a brim of fire. So he misled it. But he still had knowledge. He did. See, through my hell, I found heaven. I had to go through my hell to find heaven. Hey man, it's time, all the games and shit, man, it's time to lay that shit to the side, man. For real, lay it to the side, cause honestly, and truthfully, man, these niggas don't love you, bro. Queen, these niggas don't love you. What you fucking with a nigga, cause what he got? A new Honda, new Hyundai. These niggas still renting cars and renting homes. These niggas don't love you. You got kids of this generation that's trying to grow up to see who's gonna be the biggest drug dealer, trap star. You dig? Who gonna be the biggest murderer? Who gonna catch more bodies? Who gonna body a nigga? Who gonna hot niggas and niggas? Then you do trying to see who gonna score what on their SATs. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's a war out here against us. A real war against us, man, and our kind. I know people that have committed murder. I know people that have committed murder that haven't that served their time and back out on the street. My daddy, he was an old guy. God rest his soul. He dead and gone now. But my daddy did 2 life sentences. The story is, the myth is. And you know what I'm saying? There's people who knew him his whole life. My mama husband, the man that raised me, I called my daddy. Best dad I ever had, you know what I mean? Stepfather, but he was my daddy because he didn't believe in that step shit. Steps and some was made of cement. You ask him. My daddy did 2 life sentences back in the Gap when it was 21 years, 25 years of life sentence and survived both of them. Murderer. But he told me something. Just because you're a killer don't make you a man. If you ain't killing because your life is in danger, it's a kill or be killed situation. Or if you ain't killing to hunt for food for you and your people, what's the purpose, man? Try to work it out with your brother because them crackers gonna hide you. Remember how you used to let a nigga out for killing another nigga so quick, so fast? Shit, nigga kill a nigga now. They say, fuck it, it's murder. We gonna bolt him back so he ain't never gotta get out and make babies, beautiful, black-skinned and knowledgeable, wise babies. The kings and queens, the new generation who gonna take over when the South rise again. See, a lot of white people used to use that terminology back in the day, but the old racist bigamy bullshit. I'm talking about the South. The South shall rise again. Nah, see, they don't say it no more. They don't have their Confederacy flags no more like that. All proper, because the majority of the people in the South is quote unquote the minority. But dig what I just told you. The majority now. Not the minority, the majority of people in the South are the minority. You did? You got more black owned business owners, more black entrepreneurs. You got more black Harvard grads, more black Ivy League college graduates than you ever had or ever will have or ever do. People of color are the majority, but they call us the minority. Y'all are the minority. White people are the real African Americans, not us. We're indigenous to this country. Why you think most black people always dream that Indian shit? They're right. If you take a DNA blood test, I'm pretty sure you got some type of European or Indian in your blood. And besides, you know them dusty black son bitches from anyway. And about like, you know what? Motherfucker put lotion on and still dusty. Like that shit don't even make sense. And who the fuck wanna be from hot ass Africa? I can't even stand hot ass Little Rock other than hot ass Africa. Shit, nigga, please. I'm from the motherfucking South. Little Rock to be exact. Straight like that. It ain't the game though, people. I do it like I say, I do a lot of joking bullshitting. But for the most part, it's real shit in here. If you listen, decipher. We ain't meant to win, so they say. That's why they hide the truth. But do your work, it takes. Who's to say? I want to be an inspired writer anyway. See, most black men want to rap. If I got to rap to get my story out, so be it. Because I'm talented. But I don't do nothing for free. Don't expect me to bust no freestyles or kick no motherfucking funky dope rhyme over here. That shit free. I can't do it free. I got 5 motherfucking kids. I got 5 babies, man. And 2 more on the way. I gotta get it how I live and I live how I get it. I'm a cutthroat nigga and I'm a survivor of a cutthroat comedian. Said me a motherfucker cut my throat first. I ain't never cut another brother's throat. Even when he deserved to get it cut. I tried to spare him. Because he my brother. But nowadays your brother is being bought and sold all throughout this great country, this world, for mere pennies on a dollar. And swear you balling. You know, to tell you what balling is. When you come home, stress free from an honest day's work to your family unscathed, unharmed. See your kids grow to go across a high school graduation line, to become a college grad or whatever he or she wants to do, to be successful, to be loved, not measured by what you have, to be really loved. for who you are. And that's balling, nigga. That's wealth. To help any and everybody that you possibly can that's down a righteous path or who deserves the love of a righteous man. Just because you showing a motherfucking fancy car and motherfucking, what you call it? Yeah, nice clothes, big chains, diamond rings. Like I said, once again, half of that shit might not even be real. But if you ever put your location find on and floss it and get on one of my channels and tag me in like I'm that new breed, so be it. You know what I'm saying? See, they worry about, I'm worried about how I'm gonna feed my motherfucking babies, bro. Niggas out here worrying about what lie they gonna tell to the next female to come through. What homeboy they gonna tell them when they get popped or shit for out here selling these motherfucking fugazi ass drugs to their own people. Shit, boy, y'all crazy as hell. Killing your own brother for the love of a dollar. Man, you know there's so many hustlers out here. It's so many trappers now. More trappers now than ever been in the world. Everybody want to be a trap star. Every nigga over the stove. Every nigga is whipping it. Every nigga goddamn me flipping bricks. Every nigga got it goddamn me trap booming. Every nigga Mr. 18.5. You niggas ain't about nothing. How the fuck is you still dope selling? Or you flipping bricks or you chicken whipping or whatever y'all new nigga call it when you don't even know how to cook dope. When you gotta go to another nigga to cook your work. Really, nigga? Oh, but y'all trap stars. Only star you ever been, nigga, was a star witness. Yeah. Other than a star witness, you ain't no star, nigga. Only stars is above. You ain't above nothing. No matter what you have, where you at in your life, every man, every woman deserves a fair shake. Everybody deserves an opportunity. If you have the skill set to run something, everybody deserves an opportunity. No matter where you at in rankings, where you at in life, what the cause may be, unless you's a pedophile and a snitch. Man, you got the right to go to hell and never prosper again. That's just my personal belief. See, a motherfucker say what they want to say about me, but one thing about it, two things for sure. They gonna tell the next motherfucker, they'll never tell me. They come look me in my eyes if you talking about a gangster, you know what I'm talking about? That's all. We can do this shit like me, and man, we ain't gotta be over the internet swapping this shit out. Goddamn me, on got these white folks in our building, man. We brothers. Come tell me in my face if you don't like me, brother. Look me in my eye like a man supposed to. You dig? Shit. Hey, it's fucked up. It's a cold world, man. It's a cold world when you can't even send your kids to school without worry about them being molested. You can't even walk down the street no more. Have your kids to let alone just ride their bikes through the neighborhoods without them being abducted, molested, or police trying to harass your black son or your black daughter, killing them and putting BB guns on them and saying that they had a gun, killing them because of a certain attire or a certain pair of shoes or a certain way he or she wear their hats. But these the same motherfuckers that'll come to you with a check and tell you, goddamn me, you ain't gotta do nothing for this. And then months later, maybe years down the line, they call you and tell you they need something from you. You feel obligated to do it because they gave you something that changed your ways, changed your life. See, boy, these devils playing a game, man, and you don't know what to look for. Devil is transparent. He can turn from he to a she. Devil can turn goddamn me good to bad. And hey, give you everything you ask for, what you want, what you need. That's Lucifer. He can do that for you. But what is it for a man to gain the world, to lose his soul? I don't know about you niggas, boy, I did that enough over the years. It's the same way I did it for the streets. I do it for God, you did. Because in the end, he don't want to have a nigga back. Man, we was in them goddamn little wars, and you know what I mean? We was out here in the trenches, man, on that village crawling, monkey suit up, hiding in the bushes, ditches full of water, man, you know what I'm saying? On that real goddamn recon, Marine Navy SEAL shit, man. You niggas, some of you niggas run out here on the front lines with me, man, or with me and my people, man. Y'all niggas was in the back head on the porch in the house playing a PlayStation, Nintendo or something. Nigga, we ain't have houses. We staying everywhere we can. Our mama and them didn't love us, nigga. We got called homeboys, mamas. Knocking on homeboys, mama and them door 3, 4 in the morning, being let in. She tell you go in there and lay down in the bed with your homeboy, man. Not your lover. You niggas is out here doing this gay ass shit. Your brother, nigga. Cause it took a village. Nowadays, you niggas selling so quick. Goddamn me, they can't even offer to buy you for you come in and tell me that you for sale. Yo, fuck what you got. You can't buy me. See, I've been struggling all my life. I'm a brother of the struggle. This ain't nothing but another struggle. This nothing but another struggle, man. You did. I'm so used to struggling. I'm used to having things. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But even when I lose, goddamn me, I still let my nuts hang. Cause I'm a man. And I'm coming back to get your boy stronger than ever. He had a couple cuts. Nigga trying to get me. Back in the day war. Had a razor blade on him, I ain't know about it. Slicer. It is what it is. Yeah. But I don't know, man. I just want to tell all my people, wake up, man. The time is now. There's no better time than now, man. To capitalize on whatever we got to get, whatever we got to do. Capitalize on this shit here, man. Bring your kids up the right way. Make sure your sons kings and your daughters queens, man. And you know what I'm saying? Just live your life, dude. And until next time, may God be with you and yours. And keep it G with me.